Hey guys, we're doing late night breaks. Team draw, break 101, 6:14, 30 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Can't type for some reason. Nope, we don't go 2 times. Nobody does. Nope, we don't go 2 times. Nobody does. We're going 9 times. That's better. I was about to say if it was 2 again, had to be fate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yeah, copy that one. Don't need that. Team draw. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Yoink. Random is complete. Travis Merlot, Kings. Adam Chafee, Clippers. Nathan Lennon, Pistons. Ben Greco, Jazz. Matthew Kurtz, Raptors. Craig Shaw, Wolves. Lindsay Williams, Sixers. Troy Opie, Grizz. Alex Milan, Thunder. Kerry Scott, Bulls. Craig Shaw, Nuggets. Murray Russell, Bucks. Paul Andrew Cotton, Knicks. Peter Cameron, Celtics. Eric Lee, Spurs. Mike Lewis, Nets. Chris B, Magic. Brendan Thomas, Hawks. Phil Joe, Cavs. Craig Shaw, Wizards. Murray Russell, Blazers. Craig Shaw, Pelicans. Lewis Neal, Lakers. Craig Shaw, Heat. Nick Simic, Rockets. Luke Graham, Mavericks. Sean Hutchie, Hornets. Damian Sanders, Suns. Matthew Phillips, Warriors, and Adam Chafee, Pacers. That is the team draw. Time 6:17.